Hi there, I'm Katie for RustiKate, and this time around I want to share something that I'm excited about. I just bought a new tatting book, and I actually have not even opened it yet. It just showed up in the mail. And I'm really excited because I actually haven't bought a tatting book in a really, really long time. And this one I saw a picture of some tatting that someone had done online, and I loved their project. And when I looked to kind of see what their inspiration was, I actually found out they had made it after purchasing this tatting book. So I went to see if I could find it, and it wasn't actually available in the US except for I found it through Etsy, and it's actually from Korea. So it's completely in Korean is my understanding, but it just arrived and I'm about to open it, and I just wanted to open it in front of you guys because I'm so excited. All right, here we go. All right. Oh my goodness. See how lovely? I can't at this point read Korean, but I would love to learn. And in the meantime, I've gotten pretty good at being able to figure out tatting patterns from the photos. So I'm hoping that I can do that until I'm able to actually read Korean. I'm just gonna have to rip it. And there it is. That's a really nice book. So it's called Tatting Lace with Your Life. And that's the only part that I found so far that's in English. I'll hold it up. See if I can find some of the projects for you really quick. But just lovely photography and really great step-by-step photos. It also has the scan code, so it'll be interesting to see when I scan it what that gives me. But I'm so far really impressed with this book. It has all kinds of techniques. Look at that. So cute. And this is definitely a shuttle tatting book, but I'm expecting that the pattern will be pretty usable for needle tatters, and I can definitely figure it out for needle tatting from the pictures. But they're really, really great, actually. They have the how-to photos, and then they have kind of the diagrammed photos. I'm not sure if you can see that. But yeah, really fantastic. It looks like it's primarily kind of doilies and doily kind of projects, but a lot of the techniques that they show you, you then could use for really anything. So at this point, very impressed. So I will, in the information below this video, I will go ahead and I'll share as much information about the book as I can find, as well as if I can find any more places that it's actively for sale. And I will try and let you know later on after I get time to create a few of these projects. I'll let you know how that goes too. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please subscribe if you get a chance. Please also comment or share this video. Let me know if you like it. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye.